Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I have spent the last 5 years managing several online businesses, 2 of which are joint companies, and 1 of which is my own. So now one important thing that I have learned, which to be honest took me some time, is the amazing potential of email marketing. Whether you run an online or offline business, this often overlooked approach has the potential to significantly increase revenue. I have tried a lot of different email marketing platforms, but up until about a year ago, none of them really stood out to me. So in this video, I'm excited to share with you a full review of Constant Contact, its functionalities, features, the user interface, compatibility, pricing, and the unique aspects that make it stand out from other platforms I've used. I'll also be honest about some areas where I feel they could improve as well. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea if Constant Contact is the right fit for your email marketing needs. And if you're interested in giving Constant Contact a try, there's a special discount link in the description down below. It's an exclusive offer that you won't find directly on their site, so make sure to check it out. So now in this video, let's talk about what Constant Contact is all about. So for those who might not be familiar, it's an email marketing platform designed to simplify how businesses and organizations connect with customers and potential clients. It takes the hassle out of the older, more traditional methods of reaching out. Constant Contact does more than just send emails, even though email marketing is their main business. They've branched out to offer additional tools for building websites, managing e-commerce, and handling social media, making it a pretty flexible platform for digital marketing. Alright, so now let's break down what Constant Contact really does. So in simple terms, they make it very easy and quick to send emails that look professional. So this really is a game changer for businesses looking to showcase products, remind customers they're around, or offer special deals, all of which can help get people more involved and can eventually lead to more sales. So now their email templates are super easy to use. It's a drag and drop system, so what used to take hours can now be done in less than 30 minutes. Now it's pretty simple, whether you are creating a single email or setting up an entire automated campaign. So for the people who are new to this, an automated campaign is a set of emails that are sent when certain conditions are met. And so Constant Contact makes it super easy to do. With Constant Contact, you've got the ability to set up automatic emails that welcome new subscribers as soon as they sign up for your service or product. This really makes a great first impression and builds a sense of trust in your business. Additionally, what you can do is design emails that automatically go out in response to certain customer actions. Imagine how helpful it would be to send a friendly reminder when someone has not finished their purchase, or automatically confirmed an order, or even help customers right away when they ask for help. Now, a very important part of email marketing is making sure that your emails get sent to people's inboxes instead of spam folders. And so Constant Contact has a 97% delivery rate, which is impressive and ensures your messages are getting through. This is very important because it makes it much more likely that people will not only receive your emails, but also open them and respond to them. So now, if you're comparing Constant Contact to other services, it is very clear that they have better delivery rates. I checked out what else is out there and found that not many can match what they have to offer in this area. Okay, now let's talk about some cool additional features that Constant Contact offers. So the big one is A/B split testing, and here's how it works. You create 2 different subject lines for the same email and send them out to part of your audience. And then what happens is Constant Contact shows you which one got more people to open the email. The winning subject line gets automatically sent to the rest of your subscribers. It's really a cool way to explore different elements of your emails, like images, text, or different call to action buttons, and see what really connects with your audience. Now, this feature is really useful for those with larger email lists because you need a good number of people to take the test in order to get useful information. So let's just say if you're just starting out to build your list, you might need some time to gather enough information to take action. But once you've got a good number of subscribers, let's say around 1,000 or more, and you use split testing properly, it can really increase how people interact with your emails. However, always keep in mind that the secret is to use that information and change your emails based on what you find. Now, when it comes to managing your social media accounts, you can now plan ahead and publish to numerous sites at once, including LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. And because of this, managing your social media marketing from the Constant Contact dashboard has never been easier. On top of that, it can connect to other applications, such as those for online shopping, customer relationship management, and social media. That way, businesses can combine email marketing with other parts of their business. Just keep in mind that these integrations are mainly meant for bigger, more well-known social media sites like Facebook and Instagram. So if your business uses Telegram or other smaller, more specialized apps, you might not find them to be very useful. So now, if you're looking for a service that combines email marketing with social media management to make customer communication smoother, Constant Contact is definitely worth considering. Okay, so now let's talk about how much Constant Contact charges. They've got a few options. First up, there's the Lite plan for only $12 a month. So it's really pretty cheap. You get 1 gig of storage, which is plenty for one person. And it comes with all the basics, like drag and drop email templates and basic reports. Next up, you've got the standard plan. This one's around $35 a month with 10 gigabytes of storage. It offers you a little more wiggle room and can accommodate up to 3 users. Perfect if you've got a small team. Plus, you get some cool features like scheduling your emails and managing your social media ads. And lastly, there is the premium plan. Even though it costs around $80 a month, you get a lot out of it. It has more advanced features such as Google Ads Manager. Additionally, you can store up to 25 gigabytes of storage and doesn't limit the number of users. So let's just say you're thinking of giving access to a bunch of team members or maybe a partner, this is a great option for you. And again, if you're interested in giving Constant Contact a try, there's a special discount link in the description down below. It's an exclusive offer you won't find directly on their site, so make sure to check it out. Now let's talk about how well Constant Contact works. It's really easy to write emails that get responses. With so many customizable templates and a drag and drop editor, creating emails is actually super easy. And as I already said, the delivery rates are great. Therefore, Constant Contact has all the tools you need to manage your campaign. In conclusion, Constant Contact can be an excellent purchase for companies and businesses that want to get in touch with more customers. So now, while there are certain areas for improvement, considering all of its features and its effectiveness in delivering content to actual users, so really it's an excellent overall option. And based on my own experience, I would definitely recommend Constant Contact to anyone who wants to grow their business and make more sales. Anyway, so that's it for today's video. So if you liked the content or found it useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more of it. And again, if you're interested in giving Constant Contact a try, there's a special discount link in the description down below. It's an exclusive offer you won't find directly on their site, so make sure to check it out. And if you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.